2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those vegan guys. I thank you.
Hi, I'm Paul.
I'm Jason.
And we are those vegan guys with another of our 60-second tips for you. So you get home from work, you're not in the mood for cooking anything particular, but you want something hearty, tasty, reasonably nutritious and cheap. Go Noodles. They are merely 40p in Sainsbury's.
40p?
40p. But there are probably much cheaper noodles. We've tried these. They come with like a powder packet for soup and an oil packet. Very, very tasty. All I did was added some dried chilli and some fresh chopped spring onion to them. Very tasty lunch,
Very
weren't
tasty.
they? So yeah, don't go hungry. Go Noodles.